Why do we get hiccups? In just 60 seconds, let's uncover this quirky bodily mystery. Hiccups start in your diaphragm, the muscle under your lungs. When it spasms, you inhale suddenly, but your vocal cords snap shut, creating that hiccup sound. Why the spasm, though? It can be anything from eating too fast, to excitement, or even temperature changes. But did you know hiccups could have had a purpose in our evolution? Some scientists believe they might have helped our ancestors transition from water to land breathing. And guess what? Even unborn babies hiccup in the womb, practicing for breathing air. So next time you hiccup, remember, it's just a tiny hiccup in the grand scheme of life.